Not limited to Instagram, any social media, any video. Bless you.
Sorry, thanks. Excuse me.
Might edit that out, I might not.
Hey guys, it's Moose and Lauren here, back at you with another video from Spreadshop.com.
Welcome back. If it's your first time on this channel, be sure to smash that subscribe button.
I like the tone with that.
Yeah,
it works.
it's kind of like an arena voice. Like,
yeah, keep doing that.
Monster trucks. I love monster trucks.
Yeah, monster trucks are cool.
Zoom, zoom. So, if this is your first time here, subscribe. If you're coming back for more tips and tricks on how to sell merchandise through your Spreadshop, you are in the right spot.
Oh yeah. And if you're new to Spreadshop, be sure to click the link below and open your own Spreadshop, earn some extra cash, open your own business, do what you want with it. You won't regret it.
It's free. Get in there, open a shop, upload some designs, and you can start selling today.
Yeah. Not tomorrow, but today.
So what are we doing today?
We, today, are playing Taboo.
Ooh.
One of my favorite games, personally. I don't know about you.
It's top 10.
Top 10? Okay. What's number 1?
Tiddlywinks.
Did you just make that word up? We have 3 words, and I'm trying to guess those words. Moose is going to be describing the words to me, but there are taboo words that he can't say. So we'll put the card in the video. So
Now you have something in your hand.
I have a timer. You love the timer.
I love the timer.
You love. Do you want to describe
I thought it was a magic wand the way you were waving it around, but
Yeah.
I think it's an old-timey sand timer. They use these in Tiddlywinks.
Do they really? That's how you know it's an old game.
It's an old game. So we are going to tip this over and start playing.
Right now?
Right now.
Okay, well, can I hold it?
Sure.
Thanks.
Your first word.
Okay.
This is we wear it. It's
Shirts.
kind of the general term for it.
T-shirts.
But more like
Apparel?
you could have yes, but you could have hats as well, or mugs.
Merchandise?
Yeah, there you go. Wow.
Haha, number 1, got it.
This is here we go, at a monster truck rally. There's many of these people in the crowd. It's called the
Audience?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And here's one. It's not Facebook, not Twitter, not Pinterest.
Instagram?
Yeah, there you go. Process of
Boom.
elimination there, and plenty of time to spare.
Time drop.
Oh, that was awesome.
Yeah.
So, now we like to
I'm
go
gonna pick that
through what the theme is of these words.
The theme.
So we had merchandise, audience, and Instagram.
All right. Well, you can use merchandise to engage your audience and promote it through Instagram.
Beautiful. So you can merchandise to your audience through social media. Any way you engage your audience and you create merchandise and communicate it to them frequently, engage them, get them excited.
They want to promote your brand.
Yes. If they like you enough, they're going to check out your merch. They're going to buy it. You're going to make money. It's going to be a full cycle. Everybody's going to be happy. I'm going to be happy. She's going to be happy. You'll be happy. That guy outside will be happy.
Maybe.
Maybe. I don't know that guy.
Me neither.
I kind of take that back. So anyway, that is a key tip.
Tip?
TikTok. Head to Spreadshop.com to learn more about opening a shop. If you already have a shop, keep promoting those designs. Keep loading designs into your shop. Keep them relevant and fun for your audience. Engage your audience as much as you can. You'll be making money hand over fist.
Oh yeah.
It's super easy. It's fun. It's fast. Why not?
Then you can do a time drop and be like, yeah, what's up?
Oh yeah, you can drop anything. Paper drop. It's not
Confetti
as fun.
drop.
So, until next time, follow us on socials, subscribe below, smash that subscribe button, like this video, tell your friends to open a shop. Why not? They can make money too.
Yeah.
Till next time,
Till next time.
take it easy.
Take it easy.